This is Nancy with Creative Fun, and today I want to show you the motor that I have for my Brother knitting machines. It's this big thing up here. If you look right up here, it goes from here all the way down to the brains of the unit right here, and it comes attached to these support pieces right here, I believe. At least that's how I store mine. I store mine with this, so you would think this comes with it. I've just taken this out of storage. I haven't actually hooked it all up, but I'm getting ready to do some more videos. So let me show you this part right here. The engine or the motor part is a Brother KE, model KE 100, 117 volt, 60 hertz, 220 watt, made in Japan. Here's the on-off switch. You have a power cord that comes off here, so I have it plugged in. And here's how you turn it on, right over here. So now it's on, and when you turn it on, you will get a light that shows up here, either L or R. Here's where the row counter is, right up here. And if you set this to like 10 rows and then make it knit, it will knit 10 rows and stop. Back here, we have the speed, low versus high. I just tried this a minute ago and I had it between the two, and when I had it between the two, it didn't knit anything when you turn on. So I'm gonna put it on low for now. This directional arrow tells you where the, which direction you'll be knitting or which direction the machine will be running. So here it's on the left. Once I get to the end, it will then switch over to the right, like here. This little button here tells you whether it's going to snake or go left, right, left, right, left, right, automatically changing direction, and it'll continue to knit even if it's unattended. Whereas if you have it set on this one right here, it will go only in the one direction, and then you have to push the button again to make it go in the other direction. So this says 9 right now. I'm going to hit this button here. I have it going just in one direction at a time. And obviously you would want to attach the carriage to this so that it actually knits. And now it still says 9. Keep hitting it. And it switched to 8. Okay, so it should switch to 8. Go down the end. It only runs when I push on it. Now it's on 7, 6, push, 5, 4. Now if I have it set on the snake thing, this left, going back and forth, left and right, let's watch what happens. 2, 1, and it stops when it gets to 0. So we got down to 0 and it stopped. Now let's talk about this section right here. This will go from the full bed all the way out on either end. You want to set this so that it's knitting just the portion that the carriage is moving just enough to cover the distance of the needles that you're using. Hope that makes sense. So if I'm only using the middle 20 needles, then I would want to have it set up so that this is only going, you know, for the middle. And you just test it. So let me turn this back up. So I've got some more, and you would want to adjust it so that it's going back and forth just over the section. Now that noise that you hear is this metal wire in the back. That metal wire in the back, I believe, tells the machine whether your carriage is to the left or to the right. Okay, so I think that's what that signals right there. So when you hit that button, let me see if I can move that wire. Hit the wire. Nope, that's not doing it. Let's move it manually. Right. I don't know. So I don't remember what this one's for. Right there, that wire, but you need it. Anyway, let's see what else we need to. There is a release mechanism right here where this, if there's too much pressure on this, it will turn sideways and break off from the carriage. Let me show you the back side of it real quick. Step over my wire and say hi to the dog, don't mind the hats. So this right here is where if there's too much tension on it, it will slide off to the side and you have to adjust it. Now, I also had this come off recently. We were setting it up. This came off by bending up like this, and I don't want to repeat that right now. I got to finish getting this set up for you so that you can see it. And I just wanted to give a quick overview in case you've never seen a knitting machine motor. This is what it looks like. It does work with standard and bulky machines. So, and I'm going to be setting up my 270 with it as soon as I find all the pieces, parts and pieces. So, I don't know if you have any questions or comments or if I missed anything. I'm sure I did. Write your questions and comments down below. And thank you for watching. Hope this helps somebody. Bye.